Welcome to today's daily message. About a month ago, I took part in a walk sponsored by my home parish, St. Vincent de Paul Parish in Soulard. And it was called a homeless walk because it traces the path that the homeless men, women, and children in our neighborhood take almost every day in order to get what they need to survive. And so we went by the Lutheran church in Soulard that serves food from their window. And then we went to St. Peter and Paul Church. And in the basement of the church, there is a night shelter. And I have two strong memories of my visit to that shelter. First of all, just how close together the beds were. They were bunk beds, and there were beds for 60 people in a very tight space. And I thought to myself, is that the way I would want to sleep at night? And then the other thing that they told us, and I understand why they have to do this, but the men have to go back out on the street at 6 a.m. And we know a couple of weeks ago just how cold it was, not just at 6 a.m., but at 12 o'clock noon. And so that homeless walk led me once again to feel deep gratitude for God's daily gift of shelter. My home is comfortable. My home is warm. My home is safe. And I feel deep gratitude for the gift of home and shelter. But what I want to do is transform that gratitude that I feel into a deeper sense of hospitality in my life. The hospitality that will make me free to share what I have with those in need, so that others can feel welcome and at home in my heart and in my life. I hope that you have a great day, and thank you once again for watching and listening.